Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uvuka trend usomgaga somizimhlongo ngemva kokuthi bantu bambone lapha endzaweni bathi bambona abambe amabheke akhe uGayi bantu bamgijimise bafunisisa ama-pictures nabo bamthatha ama-video ubonakala kukwade ngendlela lesimanga somize laphana kuleya wona ama-video la circulator lapha kuma-social media platforms including TikTok. People are saying ukuthi oh my gosh, like he's so rude, uhlule kanjena nokuthi at least mhlawumbe abingelele bantu awevenyana kancane fake smile nyana next, like he was so mad, he was so pissed, and people were like ayibo kwendakalani. Somizi one said ukuthi bantu babambona bafuna ukuthatha ama-videos naye bafuna ukuthatha ama-pictures sometimes abamqele, and lokho kuyamgwadisa. Guys, when you are a public figure, like you must just know that people would want to take pictures, videos with you. Some will want autograph, so you must be ready for those things. You cannot say when you don't like taking pictures with your fans, you don't like it when your fans take your videos. And it's just that's just things you should always be prepared for. So people commented lapha kuleya video bathi hayibo soze ngisho noma ngabe ngitshisa ubeke ngimgijimisa ngale ndlela isidima, like what about this dima? Ngathi kubonwa angulungula, ngathi kubonwa leso sikhathi umuntu wakhona uhlineni akangenela nje nani. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Do you think uSomizi beka right ngokuthi angabanaki bantu ohlampe ubona ngazuthi ubanike attitude? Mina nawe siyobona nakule dark video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.